The Awesome Oscillator Divergence is literally like the cornerstone of all trading strategies. It should be in your tool belt, and I use it like almost every time. So in this video, we're going to discuss on Awesome Oscillator Divergence. Welcome to the channel everybody, I'm your host today, and this is the Sovrenfx YouTube channel where we discuss Forex trading strategies to keep you profitable in the long term. Let's just get into the charts, because there's a lot with Awesome Oscillator Divergence that you guys need to know so that you don't get stopped out, so that you don't get in early. It's kind of a very critical thing, but to be able to spot it properly, it can be a very useful tool. First, I'll help you guys set up your screen to look like mine. Just go to the indicator tab, type in Awesome Oscillator, select the first in the technicals, not in the community scripts. Select the first one on the technicals. You can have your settings as default and everything will look exactly as mine. So first things first, patience is very important when looking at Awesome Oscillator Divergence. If you get in too early, it's sort of like you're fighting momentum. Just wait for it. This is where 90% of traders are trapped. The Awesome Oscillator simply just follows price. When it is below the zero level, price is bearish and it's moving in a downtrend. When it's above the zero level, price is trending bullish and it is in an uptrend. But wait, there's something different that's happening. Okay, so watch till the end to understand. Using this strategy, you can easily catch a minimum of 100 pips on a single pair every week. So we're just going to backtest gold on the 30 minutes so you can get an idea of how the Awesome Oscillator Divergence works. Okay, so have your trend line. I had already plotted out mine. Have your trend line. So okay, you can just do this together. Let me remove all drawings. So first things first, pull your trend line. So to spot this kind of divergence, you need to have a very keen eye. You have to be very sharp to the details. So we have a height, an uptrend, and going towards the Awesome Oscillator, we have a downtrend. Okay, so when the Awesome Oscillator makes a low to a high and price makes a high to a low, this is what is called divergence. Okay, so you only need these two confluences. Confluence number one, price makes higher high. Confluence number two, the Awesome Oscillator makes a lower low. That is basically it. One of my simplest strategies ever, but it only needs you to have a keen eye for detail. So once a bearish candle appears, have your sales around here with stops just above, and take profit at 100 pips easy. So this is the first trade you could have gotten. Let's move on to the second trade. Okay, so if you can spot it here, we have the Awesome Oscillator making higher highs and price making lower lows. Here's where I'd have my first entry. Have your take profit at 100 pips, stop loss at around 10-20 pips for 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. So that's the second trade. Basically, you can see where I'm going with this. You just have to have an eye out for detail and be able to spot out these divergences as they are happening. You also want to be patient. You don't want to rush the process and get in on the bottoms and the tops. So that's where patience comes in. Okay, let's try and find our last trade. If you're keen, you could have realized that we have the Awesome Oscillator making a lower low, while price itself made a higher high. So this is a divergence. You can have your sell at around here. Stop loss for around 20 pips. Have your take profit for around 100 pips. Easy. So these are 3 entries that we took from September 6th, 7th and 8th. This is only one pair, and in 3 days you've got 300 pips. So that's simply basically the strategy, and you can use it on any pair as long as you can highlight and eye out the details of the Awesome Oscillator and fish out the divergences accurately. You don't have to be the first one to cut the trade, but follow the market. Don't fight momentum, just follow what the market is giving you. So if you guys enjoyed this, I think I'll be making another follow-up video on how to prevent stops getting hit using the Awesome Oscillator. But as you've seen, here you'd have made 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips. That's basically money in the bank, especially if you're using higher lot sizes. You would have made thousands upon thousands of dollars out of these 3 trades. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel and help the community grow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.